Yeah, that better? Probably get a better view of this than I do. Yeah, I think so too. Just to let you know, for those of you who are concerned, I managed to survive the massive hailstorm and rain, torrential rain, that was actually, landed on us earlier. Fuck, those clouds look heavy, I tell you. Heavy. Oh, someone's having a swim over there, let's see. Oh, you see. So yeah, that's fine. Sweet. Mrs. in the shower, so I got a bit of wander, let the cold air in and warm the streets a little bit. But anyway, someone's watching me up there as well, so I wonder if you can see them waving at you in the distance. Give you that better view again. Beautiful. Isn't it? Beautiful. Fuck, man. That was really bad crash landing there. Never mind, moving on. I think I'm just wasting time in a film. God, must be crazy. Looking into the future, of course. Seeing the future. This is probably one of those edited tapes, so I sort of select, slice up in little pieces, and then maybe do something different. Hey, come back down. Keep with it, yeah. Oh. It's gonna get dark now. Dark in. Dark in again. Dark. Cause we're Dutch. We say dark in. Dutch dark in. Sounds Riddick, doesn't it? Interesting. Anyway, enough of Dutch history. I better get going. Turn this off and see if there's some